Right then, paddlers, good morning. It's December, well, it's either the 9th of December or the 10th of December 2022, I can't remember, it's either the 9th or the 10th. And it's cold, I know the sun's out, but when I left this morning, right, or when I was getting ready, so to speak, it was -2, right, -2. However, since the sun's come out, I just checked my app before actually getting in the water, and great news, the temperature has shot up to 0. So it's gone from -2 to 0. Aren't we lucky? Anyway, I want to get going, warm up a bit, right, and I'll have a chat with you later on. Okay then, paddlers, catch you later. Well, paddlers, I've been paddling now for about an hour, right, and I don't mind telling you, I'm starting to get cold again. Got some brand new gloves, I bet you're sick of hearing about them. These are meant to be in spot on, right, but feeling it on my fingertips. I've actually had to stop twice just to take them off, leave these thermal ones on, move my fingers about, rub them and everything. Actually feeling it on my fingertips. However, my feet aren't too bad. Alright, I'm much warmer around here, you get me? Alright, with the dry suit and all the thermal stuff and all that sort of stuff, much warmer. Right, but before I keep paddling, I wanted to mention Patrick, Air on the Water. I talked about him in my last video. Right, he released a video as we speak. Right, it was yesterday, but for you it could be last week, a month ago, whatever. But I'll leave a link in the description to it. It's about what you need for winter paddling. Now I know the sun's out and stuff, but this is winter paddling, trust me. Right, December, 0 degrees. It was -2 earlier. Trust me, this is winter paddling. But no, he made a video. 20 tips all about winter paddling, everything from what you should be wearing, you should be depending on where you're going, there should be 2 of you and stuff. Me, I don't have that option because I don't know anybody else who goes kayaking, but it's a real good video. I'll leave a link to it. So if you're thinking about winter paddling and you've never tried it before, it's great, because as silly as it sounds, when you go summer paddling you see what you see, but you can go on that exact same river, lake, whatever, in winter, and it's different. It's different, you get me? The basics of it's the same, but it's different. Oh, just noticed there's ice running along there. But yeah, so I'll leave a link to it. It's worth watching if you're thinking about getting into winter paddling. Okay then, right, I'm going to get moving again because I don't want to sit for too long, right, because if you just sit here, well, there's that cold chill blowing at me. Alright, so I'm going to get going again, get the blood pumping again. And I left my skate in the car again. I left my bloody skate in the car last time. I've left it in the car this time. But luckily it's not a strong wind, so, and I'm being careful where I splash. Okay then, back to paddling. Patrick. Sorry Patrick, I know you told me to say hello to the geese, I did, but they're ignoring you. I said say hello to Patrick and nothing, so I tried. why didn't I bring my skate? I'm getting splashed and I'm feeling it on my bloody knees and in the boat obviously, and I forgot my sponge. I know, rookie mistake. Forgot my skate, forgot my sponge, forgot everything. What a plonker. Anyhow, I'm just stopping to give my hands a rub again, which is getting a bit annoying. I think I'm going to have to bite the bullet. I've seen some gloves, they're about £100. Right, but they're sort of like almost guaranteed to keep you warm and all this sort of stuff. So the thing is, it's not as if I'm out every day in winter. You get me? I'm not going to be out every day, I should say. Once a week if I'm lucky, but more than likely it'll probably be once a fortnight, which is only twice a month, and there's only like 3 to 4 months of winter. Alright, before it starts to get warm again, back end of March. So is it worth me spending £100 on a pair of gloves that, if I calculate, I'll only wear 6 or 7 times a year? You get me? Okay, they're an investment for the future, for times when I can get out more. Have to excuse me. Yeah, for times when I can get out more, but at the moment, I mean, it's a lot of money to spend for something you're only going to use, say, another 6 times before your warmer, sort of like your spring summer gloves come out, or you get rid of your gloves completely because it's gorgeous weather. So I don't know, probably not. I'll probably just stick with these ones this time. They've got a good grip on the paddle, and as long as I stop every, I don't know, every half an hour, just to, I need something on underneath them. I tried them without. It'll be alright when it's a little bit warmer, even though, I mean, these are neoprene, they're sort of sailing gloves, and the reviews will keep your hands super toasty and stuff, but they also say, right, ideal for kayaking, alright, which I suppose in summer they are ideal for kayaking, but you don't need them in summer, big thick wintry gloves. But still, alright, as long as I've got something on underneath, I'm alright for half an hour or so. Then, whoa, nearly dropped that in then. Yeah, I'm alright for half an hour or so, but then I just start to feel it. And funnily enough, if I take them off and give it one of these for a bit, you get your circulation going, your hands get warm again, then put them back on and then do another half an hour or so. Which is fine, gives me time to stretch the old knees, wiggle the toes. Anyhow, paddlers, right, I'm not going to come back, right, and bore you. Because there's not a lot to tell you. Right, I'm just out paddling again. It's cold. I've just checked, actually, my weather app, and it's now, the temperature's gone up. It's now, drum roll, 1. Yeah, it's 1. 1 degree, so it's getting warmer. I mean, when you think it was -2, then it was 0, and now it's 1. You never know, by the time I get back to the car, it might even be 3. Yeah, but no, it's still along the bank. You can't see. When I pull out of here, I'll turn the camera slightly to the left, and you can see there's all ice running along the side of the bank. And I forgot my little hook rope. I usually have a little rope just to chuck off when I'm in positions like this. You've probably seen it, but yeah, so it's just one of them things. But yeah, so if you're thinking about winter paddling, as I said earlier, check out Patrick's video, link in the description, and I'm going to leave it there. I'll leave you with a little bit more footage, but I won't come back. And I'll catch you later. Oh, just in case you're interested, right, I did the old glove off hand test in the water. That is cold. Cold. I mean freezing cold. So, as Patrick says in the video, right, you really, winter time, you really do need a dry suit. I mean, it's alright, you can put super warm clothes on, but if you fall in, they're going to get soaking wet, and your body's going to get soaking wet, and you're going to feel it. And always bring a spare pair of clothes, even though I've got a dry bag in the back with a spare pair of clothes, just in case. Even though, if I went in, with it being a dry suit, I'd stay dry inside, but so you can get it off, get some warm on, just to warm your body up because you still feel cold. But anyhow, check out Patrick's video, link in the description, and there you go. That's about 8 shout outs you've just had there, Patrick. I just mentioned your channel about 8 bloody times. Anyhow, yeah, so I'll leave it there, and once again, I'm all by myself. I don't think there's anybody that paddles in winter around here. I saw a couple, a few, oh, I don't know if I posted that video yet. It was beginning of December. Have you seen the couple in the kayak? I don't know if I posted it yet. Anyhow, I might have done. But no, apart from that, and that was round about the 1st or the 2nd of December. Right, but they're the only people I've seen during winter time. I didn't see anybody in November, and I've seen nobody, shall we say, well, I've seen nobody today, nobody last week. Right, so everybody is sensible. They sat in front of the fire with their feet up and a cup of cocoa. Okay then, right. I'm starting to waffle. I can hear it myself this time. I've been told I waffle, but this time I can hear it. Okay then, I'll catch you later. Don't forget to check out the video description. The video in the description. I'm not going to tell you who it's by, right? Because he's had too many shouts off me. He's not having any more shouts. Patrick, air on the water. There you go. Okay, cheers. I'll see you later, paddlers.